So since I couldn't help myself when this came in the mail before the beginning of the semester, we're kind of going to have to do a recreation of the unboxing of the muzzleloader project. And here you can see the box. Unfortunately, it did not arrive in as good a shape as it looks now. The box that it was in was much larger than the space needed to securely transport the project, and due to that, the barrel wasn't quite in the box. Everything was disheveled, but so I have started a lot of the process, but you know, everything's here. I wrapped the tips of the gouges and the scrapers just to keep the sharp blades safe. But as you can see, everything's here. We have our butt pad, our stock, our barrel, our trigger mechanism, trigger guard, or ramrod, parts kit, the ramrod holders, the additional brass segment that goes with the butt plate, the end brass, all of our instructions that came with it are here as well, as you can see. While I got you here, I might as well go into the inletting that I have already completed. As you can see, here's our hammer mechanism inlet. I already have it all carved out. Fits in also nice. Have also completed inletting for the trigger group and the trigger guard. And if you couldn't tell already, I have started doing the polishing and finishing. As you can see, I still have some marks there from the file, but I have started polishing the brass here, and that's kind of where I sit at this point. But I'll show you this really quick. It'd be tough to do one-handed. Usually I manage to do it two. There you go. Have my trigger in place properly. Tuned it just a little bit, or tuned the hammer, I should say. That's where I sit.